What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherri. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have for you a collaboration video with my beautiful friend Nikki Raven. We were having a little bit of conversation in one of Lulu's live streams, and we were talking about our overabundance of lippies, and so I asked her if she would want to do a collab with me, a lippie declutter or something of that sort, and she graciously agreed, and so that's what we're here to do today. I put all my lippies into a box and I counted them and there 213. Yeah, I thought there were more than that, and actually over to my left here, I'll take a picture of it. I have a carousel where I keep all my favorites. All these 213 are actually in excess, and I need to go through them, decide which ones I want to keep, which ones I want to declutter. And so I'm just going to set up my camera. I'm going to lay them out over my bed and do some kind of organization. I'm going to fast forward through it and just show you my process, and at the end I'll come back and show you what I decided to declutter and what I decided to keep. I thought about trying them all on and all these things, but all of that ended up making this a really long video in my mind, and I didn't really want to put you guys through that. But anyway, so that's my plan. We'll see how it works out. So in the end, I should have a large declutter pile, a keep pile, and I'll go from there as far as giving them away, or some of them just throwing them away because they're pretty old. But I just thought you might want to watch my process. And so if you haven't checked out Nikki Raven's channel, please do so. She is super talented with makeup. I'm always very inspired when I watch her channel. She has just beautiful makeup, beautiful skills, and I just enjoy her channel so much. I will link her up there for you. Please go check her out. I will also link her in the bottom bar and in the cards, so go check her out. You will not regret it. But with no further ado, let's get into this large undertaking of lippie decluttering. Alright, so far, these are the ones I'm decluttering, these are the ones that I'm keeping, these are the ones that I haven't gone through yet. So I'm still in the process here. Alright folks, this is what ended up happening. This is empty. This is my giveaway box, or my declutter box. I'll count them here in a minute for my final thoughts, and this is my keep and find some way to organize box, so that'll be next. But at least I've got them cleaned out. So let's see how many I'm decluttering out of 213. 90. Right on, go Sherri. Alright folks, that's it for me. Obviously it took me a long time to get through this, and I waited till the last minute just because I had so many other things that I had to do before this. But I'm so glad to have been through the lippie drawer of doom, and I have decluttered 90 lippies, and I think that's a pretty good start. So somebody in my life is going to get lots of lippies. And a lot of them are my favorites. I just have backups for them, or the ones that I have are unopened, and so I want somebody else to use the one that is open before it's not any good anymore. And then I've got these that I have to find a way to store, so that's my next project. But I think I basically reduced it by about 1/3. But I think I did pretty good for my first Lippie declutter, and I will show you a picture over here of my carousel that I have all my favorites in. But I know there's some in here that are going to become favorites too, so I've got to find a way to put them in front of me where I'll use them more often. This video isn't exactly what I was shooting for, but I promised to have this ready on Tuesday, so I'm going to have this ready on Tuesday. So I just want to take a moment and tell Nikki Raven, thank you so much for collabing with me. I'm really looking forward to seeing your video and seeing what you came up with and how your process went. But I'm feeling pretty accomplished, as I decluttered a lot more than I even thought I would, and I had a lot more than I thought I had. So next step is getting these organized somehow, and that'll be in the near future. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed watching the process of me decluttering 90 Lippies. Anyways, I will put all of Nikki's information down in the bottom bar as well as up in the card, so please go check her out. Give her some love and support. She's an awesome person and an extremely talented makeup enthusiast, so go check her out. But that's it for me. Thank you so much for being here, you guys. I really appreciate it. If you did enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys.